Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, here going to show you how to change language on GoDaddy website. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now you might be wondering how to exactly change or update your GoDaddy website's language here. Well, this one is fairly easy. So if you want to have easy access to the actual UI here for GoDaddy for managing your websites or your domain, well, updating the language can be super handy here. So first things first, you want to go to godaddy.com, log in into your account, and once you've logged in, what we need to do next is we want to go to the very bottom here. Now at the very bottom, you have the following option. So first is you have the country as well as the language that you could basically use. So if you click on it, you have a number of options. So you have Argentina, you also have Australia here, India, Peru, and a lot more. So just choose the country and the language that you want to use here. Now also you have the option to update or you change the currency that you may want to use here. So you may want to use your local currency or USD here. So go ahead and choose the appropriate one. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.